D-Link Wireless AC1200 Dual Band Wi-Fi Gigabit Range Extender and Access Point, DAP 1650. Dual band connectivity, greater flexibility, and reduced interference. Wireless AC1200 high-speed wireless connectivity to devices. Gigabit Ethernet Ports High-speed wired connection up to 4 PCs/devices. Wi-Fi protected setup. Push button for easy connection to a wireless network. Flexibility compatible with any wireless router brand. Backward compatible. Wireless 802.11n/G/B/A backward compatibility. Secure wireless encryption. Offers WPA or WPA2 security. AC1200 Wi-Fi speed up to 867 megabits per second and 300 megabits per second. Range extender, access point and mid-bridge modes. 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports. Easy setup using the QRS mobile app. Works with Wi-Fi certified routers and devices. Show more. Model AC1200W/ multi-operation modes. The DAP 1650 wireless AC1200 gigabit range extender is the ideal solution for improving the coverage and signal strength of any wireless network. Delivering the next generation 802.11 AC wireless connectivity and 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports. The DAP 1650 provides high-speed connectivity to stream HD video and connect multiple devices to your home network. Easy to set up with the push of the WPS button, or use the QRS mobile app on your iOS or Android mobile device. The DAP 1650 is designed to operate as a range extender, access point or media bridge, providing flexible operation modes for any network environment. I just purchased and installed a second one. I now have 5 bar signal strength on 3 2.4 GHz channels and 3 5 GHz channels on all 3 floors of my house. My D-Link DA825 dual band router, installed in the basement, could barely transmit the 5 GHz signal to the second floor, so I rarely had any of my mobile devices using the wide open 5 GHz channels. In addition, the 2.4 GHz signal strength was not that impressive, largely due to the metal heating ducts and tile kitchen floor the signal had to pass through, so I only had a few areas in my house where I could enjoy streaming videos and fast web browsing. Last year I installed a secure Wi-Fi arm and range extender, ran an Ethernet wire to the family room, and configured it as a wired access point with the same SSID and password as the DA825 router in the basement. While that gave me full 2.4 GHz coverage on all 3 floors of the house, I did not have 5 GHz capability. Using the Wi-Fi Analyzer Android app, I could see there were up to 12 other routers from the nearby neighbors transmitting on the 3 main 2.4 GHz channels, 1C6, C11. So at times my internet speed slowed down because of the same channel 2.4 GHz traffic. However, there were none detected on any of the 5 GHz channels, so when I found the DAP 1650 range extender was released, I believe the only simultaneous dual band access point configurable range extender available, I quickly ordered one. It worked so well I purchased a second one. I now have the DA825 router in the basement, configured with channel 11, 2.4 GHz, and channel 40, 5 GHz. The first DAP 1650 installed in the family room, configured with channel 1, 2.4 GHz, and channel 161, 5 GHz. The second DAP 1650 is installed in a second floor bedroom, configured with channel 6, 2.4 GHz, and channel 153, 5 GHz. The 3 2.4 GHz channels are under One SSID/password in the 35 GHz channels are on a different SSID/password. The two SSIDs have 2G or 5G in the name to tell them apart. All mobile devices automatically switch channels. To lock on the strongest one at any given time, I only have to manually select between the 2.4 or 5 GHz SSIDs. I change the second DAP1650's device ID to DLinkApp2 vs the default of the first one, DLinkApp C, so I can monitor/configure each DAP1650 separately. I now have 5 bars of 2.4 GHz coverage anywhere in the house, view and yard, usually at my Comcast maximum 30 MB/secretary download speed. The 5 GHz signal is 4 to 5 bars anywhere inside the house. Consistent 30 MB/secretary speed. Outside the signal drops considerably, so the mobile devices jump over to the 2.4 GHz channels. Inside the house I primarily stay attached to the 5 GHz channels because they have no competing traffic from the neighbors. Speed is faster and does not drop off at any time. I will probably disable 2 of the 2.4 GHz channels and just use the one DAP1650 in the family room to support the 3 older tablets/laptops that only have 2.4 GHz channels BTW. On the DAP1650 in the family room I have a PlayStation TVC and Blu-ray player attached to the 3 available Ethernet ports. Ethernet port 1 is attached to the DAR 825 in the basement, so I was able to remove the small D-Link 4-port switch, DGS1005G, I was using with the Almond